Hi everyone, CD here. Today we have this Pitco single fryer. It's electric. We fill it up with oil. As you can see, we have just drained the oil, and it doesn't reach 350 degrees. Once it reaches 300, it stops. So I was thinking it's a bad contactor. And I tried to replace it, and I put a new one, and it still does the same. As you can see, the contactor is no good, or it's still good, but you know it looks in bad shape. So it shows some black stuff inside here, as you can see. So I decided to change it before to send it to the customer. Then I was thinking it's the high limit. Of course, I have one original one, and I did some resistance testing like Pitco advises, and I found that it's faulty. So we will have to replace it, and it's the subject for the video today. And for that reason, we'll have to take these two Phillips screws, and we'll have to take these brackets or clamps to get the access to the high limit, and we'll go from there. Okay. I do have to move the clamps away to get the access to the high limit. Okay, the bolts is for the high limit is 7/8. So we'll have to push against the hidden elements nicely. And we have to finish it with the hands. This is it. As you can see, the wires looks like they are damaged here. That's what was the reason, maybe, I don't know, but anyway, it's no good. Now we will have to cut these wires, so they will go in and we will pull them inside the fryer like this, as you can see. And we will do exactly the same for the new one. It has to come out from the bottom. As you can see, this is the new one with everything is new, so I'll have to bring it. Our new high limit. Apologize, I meant to say that you have to push them down, not to pull them down under the fryer. Then I think the thread came already with the sealant, so we don't need to add anything. We'll just start it with our hand to make sure the thread is correct. Then we will tighten it with the ratchet. don't have to tighten it too much, but when we start to feel resistance, it's in. Then we have to put back our brackets. It came with the new ones, but we can reuse this. This is gonna be a little headache, but you have to be patient with it. This. Then you put back your screws. Next one. Sorry. It's crazy, it's slippery. As you can see, we have to put back the new wires on this connector, and we have to put them this way. As you can see, there's a difference in the position, so we will have to put them in these two, this side, so we don't miss it. Just to make it easy for us to access underneath the fryer, we put it on its back, and this way we will have the easy access to the wires and to finish the job. It's always good to mark where you have to put your wires. Here. Then you come down here and you just push in the wires. Then the last thing to do is to connect it to the electrical box. Then now we will have to fill up the fryer back with oil and see the result. Thank you very much for watching. Please consider to subscribe into our channel if you haven't, and we appreciate that. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them there and we will be happy to assist as much as we can. Thank you very much for watching. Stay greasy.